Old Town Engineering is a company specializing in complete solutions for all your engineering needs. From one-off prototype components to tooling, moulds, reverse engineering and scheduled precision component batches. We also offer a subcontract assembly service for components made on site and supplied from customers. Established in 1962 and based in Swindon, Wiltshire, Old Town Engineering provides a quality-driven and customer-focused subcontract manufacturing facility and is an ISO 9001 approved company. Our outstanding flexibility means we can meet tight delivery schedules, and this is why we are the preferred supplier to many of our customers, ranging from a wide variety of industries, including food packaging, motorsport, medical, metrology, transport, and power generation. We have a highly skilled workforce dedicated to quality and high levels of customer service, operating an awesome array of high-tech multi-axis CNC milling, and CNC turning machining centers, together with cylindrical and surface grinders. We also offer EDM wire and spark erosion capability and have recently invested in an additional Sodic wire erosion machine, giving us 3 wire erosion machines and 1 spark erosion machine. Our management team constantly work together with our personnel and machines to attain maximum performance. As a long-established company, we recognize that our workforce are key to the success of our business, and as such, we continually train our staff. A robust program has been developed to ensure that our young apprentices can acquire the appropriate skills to become the highly skilled engineers of tomorrow. Our machinists use the latest solid CAM software to create complex machine tool programs from our customers' design. We do this by either creating a solid model ourselves from the customer's drawing or by using the solid model the customer created during their design process. Continuous investment in our manufacturing capabilities have enabled us to continue improving a quality and reliable service with competitive pricing for our customers. Our inspection department is equipped with the latest CMM metrology and also includes a wide range of digital and analog measuring equipment. A certificate of conformity and full material traceability is standard and comes free of charge, and all batches are fully inspected before delivery to the customer. We pride ourselves on our high levels of customer service and after-sales support and offer a one-stop shop for almost all your machining needs with flexible lead times to meet your requirements. So if you require quality components at competitive prices and customer service is integral to your business, then contact Old Town Engineering sales team to request a quotation or a factory visit.